Alrighty, we're gonna do a little comparison today. We're hauling snow here to our snow dump, and we got basically 4 truckloads on each side. And the comparison we're gonna be making is the Kubota M5 091 versus this tire Teleskid. That M5 over there weighs like 13,000 pounds with that little Mafia block on the back. Has a 2-yard bucket, so it's definitely got an advantage with a little bit bigger bucket and more weight. This skid steer over here only has a 1.5 yard bucket and weighs 10,000 pounds. As far as tires, they both got really good tires on. Teleskid has snow tires. Tractor has these tires, which are all filled, and neither machine has issues gripping. So we're gonna tackle these piles at the same time and see who finishes first. Because every time I'm in the skid steer, I think that pushes better, and every time I'm in the tractor, I think that pushes better. My money's on the tractor, but let's see. Alrighty, so that kind of left me with more questions than answers. I'm still not sure what's better. So apparently my dad had the tractor in like 2-wheel drive for the first like 2 pushes, which holy cow, but apparently had it in 2-wheel drive for the first 2 pushes. I think the Teleskid did better, at least that's what Riley was saying. The Teleskid did better and got it done quicker in about a minute. But he was also kind of pushing snow back a little bit further than me. But then again, it's a skill thing too. Like, if I was 2 people and I was in that Kubota, I might have won, I'm not sure. But it's definitely very close. It's, you know, splitting hairs. So it's pretty impressive on the skid steer, and that can be 3,000 less pounds and actually keep up with that, because that tractor's a beast. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, what pushed better. Like to hear your comments and thoughts. So thanks for watching.